जय माँ भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भू भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम you to the PNA समाचार channel from the international world. Lebanon, officially known as the Republic of Lebanon, it is bordered by Syria to the north and east and Israel to the south, while the Cyprus is west across the Mediterranean Sea. Lebanon's location at the crossroads of the Mediterranean basin and the Arabian hinterland had contributed to its rich history and shaped a cultural identity of religious and ethnic diversity. India-Lebanon relations are warm and cordial. Lebanon maintains an embassy in New Delhi, West India maintains one in Beirut. Lebanon-China relations refers to the Republic of China and the Republic of Lebanon developed stately and practical cooperation in various fields, kept moving forward. Country. The vaccines of Oxford doing best on monkeys, making of harmful the virus stopped by it. The schools of government and private school in Madhya Pradesh were closed for 31st August. Region by foods, Leela got 59.37%. Bihar, Assam and some states are in flood and their condition is so bad. India will give answer to Pakistan and China. Ready with Rafale. Environment. The Dons is the largest tributary of the Yamuna and flows through Garhwal region in Uttarakhand, touching Himachal Pradesh. The Dons Trust is named after this river. The main source of Renaissance snout located below Dhomdhar Candy Race, which leads to Kalang and Bandarpur, and is one of the most major perennial Indian Himalayan rivers. In fact, it carries more water than the Yamuna itself, which it meets below Kalsi near Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Invention. The invention of the telephone was the culmination of work done by many individuals and led to an array of lawsuits relating to the patent claims of several individuals and numerous companies. An actor portraying Alexandra Graham Bell speaking into an early model telephone. Great person. Shivaji was born on 19th February 1630. Shivaji Bhosle was an Indian king and a member of the Bhosle Maratha clan. Shivaji carved out an enclave from the declining Adil Shahi Sultanate of Bijapur that formed the genesis of the Maratha Empire. In 1674, he was formally crowned as the Chhatrapati of his realm Raigad. History of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand literally northern land or section in Sanskrit. The name of Uttarakhand finds mention in the early Hindu scriptures as combined region of Kedarkhand and Manaskhand. Uttarakhand was the ancient Puranic term for the central stretch of the Indian Himalayas. Its peaks and valleys were well known in ancient times as the abode of gods and goddesses and sources of the Ganga's river. Around 200 BC, Khas Aryan people entered the Himalaya range all the way of Caucasus Mountains. Unlike Vedic Aryan who took southern, western and eastern route, Khas Aryan took whole new route of walking northern route of Great Himalaya from Caucasus Mountains of Europe of northwestern Himalayas. Fennel plants are green and white with feathery leaves and yellow flowers. Both the crunchy bulb and the seeds of the fennel plant have a mild, dusty-like flavors. The health benefits of fennel and fennel seeds. highly nutritious, contains powerful plant compounds. Fennel seeds may suppress appetite. Fruits. Sriracha gross venereal, also known as monk fruit or Luhongua, is a herbaceous perennial vine of the ground family Cucurbitaceae, native to southern China and northern Thailand. The plant is cultivated for its fruit, whose extract is being used in China as a low-calorie sweetener for cooling drinks and in traditional Chinese medicine. Flowers. Jasmine rose. Regular is generally found outdoors in southern region and is admired for the glossy green foliage and creamy fragrant blossom. These are best for their fragrant white flowers. These are heat-loving, beautiful shrubby evergreen shrubs that have become a gardening symbol in the southeast. These plants are grown into a round shape with dark green glossy leaves and white fragrant flowers that bloom from mid-spring into summer. Yoga. Gomukhasana is a seated asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise, sometimes used for meditation. The health benefits of Gomukhasana. It stretches your hip, strengthens your spine and abdominal muscles, helps decompresses lumbar spine, relieves chronic knee pain. Universe. Sierra Nevada is a mountain range in the western United States between the Central Valley of California and the Great Basin. The vast majority of the range lies in the state of California, although the Carson Range sports lies primarily in Nevada. The Sierra Nevada is part of the American Cordillera, an almost continuous chain of mountain ranges that form the western backbone of the Americas. History of arithmetic. The history of arithmetic includes the period from the emergence of counting before the formal definitions of numbers and arithmetic operations over them by means of a system by axioms. Arithmetic, the science of numbers, their properties and their relations, is one of the main mathematical sciences. It is closely connected with algebra and the theory of numbers. The practical need for counting, elementary measurements and calculations became the reason for the emergence of arithmetic. The first authentic data on arithmetic knowledge are found in the historical mountains of Babylon and ancient Egypt in the 3rd and 2nd millennia BC. Ayurveda. Adrak or ginger. Ginger is a flowering plant whose rhizome, ginger or root ginger, is widely used as a spice and a folk medicine. It is a herbaceous perennial which grows annual pseudostems about 1 meter tall, bearing narrow leaves. Blades. The inflorescences bear flowers having pale yellow petals with purple edges and arise directly from the rhizome on separate shoots. Village town. Kolkata is the capital of the Indian state of West Bengal, located on the eastern bank of the Hooghly River, approximately 80 kilometers west of the borders with Bangladesh. According to the 2011 Indian census, Kolkata is the 7th most populous city in India with a population of 4.5 million residents, with the city limits and a population of over 4.1 million residents in the Kolkata metropolitan area, making it the 3rd most populous metropolitan area in India. The port of Kolkata is the oldest operating port and its sole major Riverine Kolkata port. Today's event. 1658, Aurangzeb is proclaimed Mughal Emperor of India. 1741, Charles Albert of Bavaria invades Upper Austria and Bohemia. 1790, the first US patent is issued to inventor Samuel Hopkins for a potash process. 1856, Christchurch, New Zealand is chartered as a city. 1865, the first narrow gauge mainline railway in the world opens at Grantchester, Queensland, Australia. 1913, the Balkan states signed an armistice in Budapest. World War I. 1917, the Battle of Passchendaele begins near Ypres in West Flanders, Belgium. Delhi weather is changed because of rain. Because of weather forecaster, there is a increase of tension. Today's temperature in Patna 28 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 28 degrees Celsius. The Civil Service Examination CSE is a nationwide competitive examination in India conducted by the Union Republic Service Commission for recruitment to various civil services of the Government of India, including the Indian Administrative Service, Indian Foreign Service, and Indian Police Service, also simply referred to as the UPSC examination. It is conducted in three phases: a preliminary examination consisting of two objective types papers, general studies paper and general studies paper 2, also popularly known as civil service aptitude test or CSAT, and a main examination consisting of 9 papers of conventional essay type, in which 2 papers are qualifying and only marks of 7 are counted, followed by personality test. Today's food, that's all I take for tomorrow list. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष गों शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुं शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।